All right, friends. Now we're going to take a look at the 1, 2, 3, 4 brand new Layle by Mail project kits. All right. They are shipping. Oh, actually. Oh yeah, no, we're good. There's some more things that I want to show, but I'll show you these as I show some of the project kits. So they are shipping progressively over the next 2 weeks. The first project kit I will show you is shipping right now. And that is the May-June Traveler's Notebook Project Kit. So, oopsie, yikes, there we go. The May-June Traveler's Notebook Project Kit. So, every other month I put out a bi-monthly, I guess every other month, Traveler's Notebook Project Kit. That includes everything that you need to decorate the pockets of your Traveler's Notebook and also to slipcover 2 inserts. All right, so every month I change up one of my Traveler's Notebooks, and when I say one, I do use more than one every month. Lots of different things, but this particular one always has my calendar in it. I've got some project planning in it, notes, all different kinds of things. So for the months of May and June, this is May. And it uses the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Spring Garden. That is a mouthful. Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Spring Garden Collection. Whew. So we'll be decorating pockets and then slip covering 2 Traveler's Notebook inserts. I am using for May the Champagne Traveler's Notebook cover. And you'll see that on the website as well as the project kit. And then for June, we are using the Sunflower Summer Collection from Echo Park. This one, when I saw it, I just loved it. I fell in love with it. It just is so bright and so cheery, and it's so summery, so it's perfect for June. It's a great way to kind of start off the summer without being like beach balls and swimsuits and picnics, things that you usually see for summer. So this is a nice, fun way to kind of work our way into summer. So that is one project kit for the months of May and June. Something that I have included for June, and you can actually really use it on both if you wanted, is this fun little tassel. So that is a burlap, kind of jute burlap, I guess, tassel with 3 wooden beads. And that did it pretty quickly. I just tied it to the little elastics on my Traveler's Notebook. So you could use that really for either month because it would kind of goes with either month. But to me, it really kind of goes with that sunflower theme. But you could use it with that one too, if you wanted. And then for June, I'm using the Breton Black Stripe cover. All right, so that kit includes everything, like I said, that you need to kind of get your Traveler's Notebook set up for those 2 months. With each month, you have 3 12 by 12 papers. You have 2 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheets. So there is, oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Mimi said, do we buy that separate or does it come with the kit? That tassel comes with the kit. Maybe you don't need to buy that separate. It's part of the kit. Again, yellow, but those sunflowers are so bright and vibrant. These cute little bees, just darling. And then a cut apart paper. So that is what we're using for June with that 12 by 12 sticker. And then for May, we're using 12 by 12 sticker. And then these 3 beautiful papers from Simple Vintage Spring Garden. The cut aparts, and then that guy. And then we're using a piece of white cardstock. And we do, well, if you buy the kit and take the class, then you'll know. But there's a class that comes with it as well. You get 1 insert, you get a little doily, you get 2, there's your doily in there, 2 different washi patterns, 18 inches each, and then there is that fun little tassel. And that one is shipping now.